Okay, let's start with installing Redis on Windows. So I need you to go to this URL, redis.io. It will take you to the official Redis website. Go ahead and click on download. Go down till you reach the section of the Windows in here. Click learn more. Yes, learn more. It will take you to the GitHub account. Go down until you reach Redis on Windows. Here it is. You can download the latest unsigned binaries and the unsigned MSI installer from the release page. Go ahead and click on the release page, and here it is. We reached it. Redis.msi. It's being downloaded. And it's almost finished. Here it is. Go ahead and double click on it, run, next, of course, check on the accept, and choose the destination. I'm gonna leave it for default. This is the port, this is a default port as well. Next, leave everything as it is. We don't need to change anything at the moment. And it's finished. How can we start now the Redis? We can go ahead to the program files, and we can see that there is a file here called Redis. As you can see, we can go ahead and run the redis-cli, or we can simply use the cmd, the command prompt. You can navigate to the folder, so cd/cd program files, cd redis. We can display the content using the dir command. Here it is, and we would like to run this exe from here. redis.cli.exe, and it's not dot, it's dash cli.exe, and here it is. Here is the server, as you can see. So I can make sure that everything is working by this funny command, which is ping. Boom. As you can see, it's answering, the server is answering me. Boom, here it is. I can go ahead and tell it 5 bing. Here it is, 5 bongs we have. So now we've installed Redis on Windows and the server is working.